We have a visitor. We're at Burger King and he's on our car. He probably hopes to steal the food. Look at him. Oh my god. Just make sure he doesn't come in the car.
Yeah, he got a sharp beak.
Yeah, he does have a sharp
Pretty
beak.
aggressive.
He's probably gonna try grabbing your food when they hand it out.
Maybe. It's like, you got any eggs, buddy?
Turn left.
We have a mascot on our car. Oh my god.
Where you going?
This is the best thing ever. Come on, you gotta go. He'll be moving when he hit 27. The person is laughing. Come
Turn right
on,
on
baby.
West Estee Boulevard.
There's buddy over here.
In 300 feet.
Like,
Come
look,
on.
buddy, I'm
Left on US
surfing.
27 North.
I'm surfing.
There's one right in the middle of the road. Not moving. I think your friend is lost.
Look at that way. We'll see. He's gonna jump off once he
Shoo.
gets speed. He's gonna like.
Yeah, but I hope he can fly off and doesn't fall off.
Give me an onion ring.
Here. Toss it.
Ring, onion ring. One onion ring.
Ooh, he opened up his mouth. He's watching it.
Over there. Over there. Go get the onion ring.
Yay!